Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Zesta Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. Today I'll be making my commercial brown soap, a commercial brown laundry soap, okay, the transparent style. So I have with me my spatulas for mixing, my hand gloves for protection, my mixing stick. I have with me here my oils. Here I have my palm kernel oil and my palm oil. This is 9 liters here, okay. This is my water for making my lye. This is my caustic soda. Here is my SLS. I have my already prepared mold, and obviously this rubber will be too small, so I already have a bigger rubber where I'll be doing my mixing. I only put it here for you so that you'll be able to see the kind of oil that I'm using. So we will start. The first thing I'll do is to wear my hand gloves. I am making this soap today outside because I'm making a large quantity, so I'll not make it inside. I want air to be able to flow and blow away the fumes that will be formed when I make this lye solution, okay. So I'll pour my caustic soda into my water. Don't pour your water into your caustic soda, okay, and then measure the two temperatures to be sure they are the same before I make my soap. Even not the same, at least they should be close to each other. So I'll mix this until it gets transparent. So welcome back. As you can see, my caustic soda has completely melted and is transparent. This yellowish color you're seeing is from the wood, okay. It's because of the wood inside it. So now I'm going to put this on fire and come back. Welcome. So now I'm going to start making my soap proper, okay. I'm using a spatula to scrape all the oil in. So let me adjust the camera so that I'll be able to see what is happening inside my bowl, okay. So I've adjusted it such that you'll be able to see what I am doing, okay. So now I'll start by pouring in my dissolved caustic soda, okay. I'm getting a hard bar because my soap, my oils have a lot of palm oil. That's why it's looking hard. So just covered it for some time. You know, I'm outside. I would want to reduce heat loss. Since I'm doing it like semi-hot process, I want to reduce heat loss. So I covered it for some time. I'll continue again. As you can see, the color have changed. Just from this covering that I covered it for just a few minutes. You can see. If you have a mixer, it will help. If you have a stick blender, it will help. I have a stick blender, but this is too much for my stick blender, and it will make my soap trace too fast. So I prefer using my mixing stick most of the time. You hardly see me use the stick blender, except if I'm making a small batch of bathing soap. I hardly use it. Okay. And see what has become of the soap. If you watch carefully, you see that this soap is rising. If you don't do things carefully, that means your soap will just volcano and you will lose. As I'm turning, this heat is coming out too. I'm already tired myself. So this is my foam booster in the form of SLS. I'm going to pour in my foam booster. Because of the way I'm outside, it dried up a bit. I'm not going to pour in this dry part. It might not mix well. So I'll separate it out. So because of the mixing, let me not be mixing for too long. I also use this opportunity to add my perfume. This laundry soap, I'm putting only a little bit. I'm not putting much. The perfume has a strong scent anyway. I've added in my brown color. This one is optional. You must not use brown color in your soap. But because brown color is the one mostly in the market, if you do your own white, they'll be asking you, is this soda soap? Is this soda soap? That's why I'm putting brown color. But if not, it's not necessary. Okay? So you too, you can use a color of your choice. Some people use green color, some people use pink, some people use blue for their washing soap. It all depends on you. You must not use brown. I'm scraping it so that everything gets in and mix up. because after this I'm pouring into the mold. You need soap mold and my correct soap cutter, sliding soap cutter that gives you no wastage. I'm here for you. So I'm ready to pour into my mold now, because the soap is already beginning to set on me now. Okay, so after this I'll cover it and leave it till tomorrow. Oh,
Now,
this is our soap.
yeah, and my mother partner, my name is Steve, and you are Amos.
You can see they are the same length, but mine is even a little bit longer than the commercial soap. Okay, so I'm going to cut now. So push it, don't push too much, if not. Leave it like that. Okay. When you're sitting down there, you're shifting this thing. Move them. Move them now.
This time you didn't get sick. Let us subscribe. This soap will have magic power.
Check.
After I catch out my two kolo eyes.
Check.
Yeah, man, anything. Wait, mommy, this one will not just carry 4.
Wait. Kai.
It links to the stone on my super suit, so we can talk. Cool, but you got this. I think. Oh, my God.
You have to follow me.
I want
Let me see it.
You are better tomorrow.
to your leader.
Something, get out of where you're from. Follow there. Like what? You were supposed to be following me. Get back alive. I better check on these followers to make sure they are indeed following me.
Close some more.
Maybe that game was idiot.
Wait now.
Okay, kids, come here. The thing is, what? Come here. Okay, so I'm gonna say, what? I said come here. Copy that. Never check the weather. Should be good to go. So how far away is the Toyota again?
Hard. Really hard.